Hi students, today I want to show you how to do this assignment. Present to the class about a topic of your choice. So it says make at least one slide about a topic of your choice. For example, your family, your country, how to do something, something you enjoy doing in your free time, a special holiday, someone famous from your country. Include a title, your name, and a picture at least. Answer these questions: who, what, when, where, and why. Be prepared to talk for 2 minutes and answer questions. Okay, so when you are done, you always come back and you mark as done. So let's take a look at what's included in this. That's stupid. Hi students, today I want to show you how to do this activity. Present to the class about a topic of your choice. So we see that there are instructions which say make at least one slide about a topic of your choice. For example, your family, your country, how to do something, something you enjoy doing in your free time, a special holiday, someone famous from your country. Include a title, your name, and a picture. Answer these questions: who, what, when, where, and why. Be prepared to talk for 2 minutes and answer questions. We will present on Wednesday. So you are going to click here on the slide that I've given you, and when you're all done, make sure that you come back and you turn it in. This is an assignment. So I'm going to click on the slide, and you can see that I have given you a slide. So I am going to click on the title, and I'm going to, what am I going to present about? I am going to present to you about yoga. Okay, and I'm putting my name by Julie. So that I've got the title, and now I want to perhaps insert another slide. So I click insert, and down at the bottom it says new slide. So now I have my second slide. So the first one is my title, and I'm going to say what is yoga all about? Or actually, I'm going to say, I'll say, what is yoga all about? And now I want to add my text. So I'm going to put in the 5 questions. Who? So anyone. Actually, I'll start with what. What? So yoga is an activity. Gotta spell it right. That you can do to be more active. And why? Question mark. It helps you stay in good physical and mental shape. So where can you do it? You can do it anywhere. On the floor, on your bed, on a chair, even outside if you want to. So what were the 5 questions? Who? Oh, who? Anyone can do it anyone can do yoga, even your children and your husband. Okay. Who, what, where, when. So you can do it any time of day. That's what's so great about it. And finally, how. So register for a class, but the easiest way is just to Google on YouTube. And you can find a demonstration, and later I'll give you one. Google on YouTube, yoga. So like this, yoga. Okay. Now I'm good. I reread it over to make sure that it's good. And then I'm going to insert a new slide. So I clicked it on insert and new slide. And now I'm going to click right here in this big picture. So my cursor is clicking and I'm going to go insert image. Insert image, and I'm just hovering with the mouse, search the web. And over on the right hand side, search for images. So I'm going to go yoga and just click yoga. And I've got some pictures and I can insert a picture. Let's see, which one can I insert? Find a good picture. Here's somebody. There's lots of pictures of yoga. So I'm just going to put this one here. And so I click on the picture and then I click insert. Oops, I have to move my little, okay, I need to move my little face here. I'm trying to click insert and it won't let me. So normally it will let me, but I've got a little bit of a window there. Okay, insert. Oh, there we go. So here is a picture of yoga. So I've got that. So now I can check out my slides. So yoga by Julie, and I want to insert another picture. So click insert, insert image, search the web, and I'm going to click yoga. And I have another picture right here. So I click it, then I click insert. Uh-oh, the picture is over my words. So all I do is I take my two fingers and I click and drag this little picture to make it smaller. And if I use my two fingers, with my left finger, I can click it and I can move it like that. Okay, so now I can check. I can go here, click on the picture on the top left-hand corner, Yoga by Julie. What is yoga all about? Ooh, I see I made a mistake here. That should be a small a. What? Yoga is an activity that you can do to be more active. Why? It helps you stay in good physical and mental shape. Where? You can do it anywhere. Okay. Who? Anyone can do yoga, even your children and your husband. When? You can do it any time of day. How? Google on YouTube, yoga. And then I've got my last picture here. And there I've got a picture, and I think I'm going to do one last slide, and my last slide is going to have a title, and it's going to say the end, and I'm going to add exclamation mark, insert image, search the web, and I'm going to write namaste because that means goodbye. Oh, so I see some signs there. And I am just going to have a picture like this and insert. I gotta make it a little bit smaller. There we go. The end. Namaste. So now what I do is I'm done, and it's always a good idea to share it, so you can share it with me. But really, what you need to do, so actually just share it and start typing J, and you'll get Julie MacArthur. Click on Julie and done. Okay. Then go back to the classroom tab and let's just check that I turned it in. Okay, so I'm going to check my slide. I hope it's there. Oh, yes, it's there. Everything is there. Great. Okay, so now I'm going to go back to the classroom tab and I'm going to click turn in. Yes, I want to turn it in. Okay. So that's it.